Hi, I'm Erica Razzi, Special Events Coordinator with the DCH. Today I'm going to show you how to save your seeds for next season. First, you're going to want to slice your tomato. Now is a good time to do it, or any time your tomatoes are ripe. Slice your tomato and squeeze out the seeds and all that gel stuff inside. Once you have your seeds in the cup, you're going to want to pour a little bit of water on top and then go ahead and cover them. You're going to want to place these somewhere warm for 3 to 5 days. Once they're ready and the seeds are moldy, don't forget that mold is what's going to help get the gel off of those seeds. You can go ahead and clean them using a strainer. Once you rinse them, you can dry them and then put them in a bag for storing for next season. It's as simple as that. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment. And as always, thanks for your support to the DCH.